Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your website secure. Securing your website is crucial for protecting user data and maintaining trust. We'll cover essential steps like encrypting data, managing access, and keeping your software up to date. These practices are fundamental to building a robust defense against common cyber threats and ensuring a safe online experience for everyone who visits your site. One of the most critical steps is to encrypt all data transmitted to and from your website. This is achieved by implementing HTTPS, which uses an SSL or TLS certificate. This certificate establishes a secure, encrypted connection, preventing unauthorized parties from intercepting sensitive information like login credentials or payment details. It's a foundational layer of trust and security for any modern website. Beyond encryption, managing access and keeping your systems current are vital. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication for all administrative accounts. Regularly updating your website's core software, plugins, and themes is equally important. Developers frequently release security patches to fix newly discovered vulnerabilities, and applying these updates promptly closes potential backdoors for attackers. Finally, proactive monitoring and disaster recovery are key. Perform regular security audits and vulnerability scans to identify weaknesses before attackers do. A web application firewall, or WAF, can block many common attacks before they reach your server. And remember, consistent, off-site backups are your safety net, allowing you to restore your website quickly in case of a security incident or data loss. These steps create a comprehensive security posture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.